I don't know why this war keeps going. I don't know who's getting anything out of it, neither Russia nor America nor Ukraine. But if it ends or if there's a ceasefire, everything is going to react. Stocks are going to go up a lot. Bonds will go up a lot. And oil will go down. Grain will go down. What I plan to do, if that happens, is to buy grain and to buy commodities, because that will be a buying opportunity. I am not buying bonds. I expect interest rates to go higher over the next few years. I mean, you don't remember, but in 1980, when we had the last inflation, interest rates on short-term treasury bills in the United States were 21%. That's not a typo. Short-term treasury bills were at 21%. It's going to take a lot to kill inflation this time, because inflation is worse now. Not this month, not this week, but before this is over, interest rates will go much, much higher. So many people who are pessimistic and so many people who expect a recession, when everybody knows something is going to happen, it usually does not happen. So I'm trying to figure out the best way to play that. I suspect the markets, including India, including America, will go up more than we expect for a while, because everybody knows a recession is here. Maybe it's not. I'm not buying anything, as a matter of fact. I too was swept away with, like everybody else, expecting bad times to come this year. I know bad times will come sometime in the next few weeks, months. I basically did nothing for a while, and now I'm sitting here saying, I regret it. I mean, I own commodities, as you know. I own gold and silver. I haven't bought any, but I own it. But I'm watching. I've made the same mistake that a lot of people made. Well, I know that what is supposed to happen is another one of those cases of what everybody knows doesn't happen. Yes, gold has often been an inflation hedge, but many times, as you know, I'm sure you watch ET now, many times gold has done badly no matter what's going on in the world. So, I wish life were so simple. First of all, no, diversification is not something I am keen on. Diversification is something that brokers thought up so that they don't get sued. If you want to be successful, you don't diversify. You focus, you focus, you focus. You have to be right. If you're wrong, you're going to go broke. But if you want to be rich, you have to focus narrowly in the right things. So please, I know everybody talks about diversification, but I'm not going to talk about diversification. As far as the dollar, I own U.S. dollars. I expect the dollars to go higher before this is over, because when we have turmoil again, everybody's going to look for a safe haven, and they think the U.S. dollar is a safe haven. It's not, but everybody thinks it is, so I own a lot of U.S. dollars still. I mean, China's it's the second largest economy in the world, as you know. It has been very restrictive internally for a while, but it seems to me that something is changing and that China is now trying to be more open to the outside world. If that happens, it's certainly going to affect the Chinese economy, but it's going to affect the worldwide economy. I mean, there's been very little travel in China or out of China for 2 or 3 years. The travel industry, tourism everywhere, is going to prosper if they really are opening. And it's my view that they are opening up more than they were before.